Hey guys, Mr. Case here. Going to go over day 14's work for 3rd grade. I know normally I split it up between math and English, but there's not a whole lot for day 14, so I'm just going to wrap it up all in one video. So, let's get into it. And also I apologize for what I'm wearing. So, the first paper we have is 2-digit addition and subtracting with regrouping. So pretty simple. Go through, just do your adding, do your subtraction, and then on the bottom where it says solve and make a number bond, when you make a number bond, so if you notice for this one here, so I'm actually going to put 68 and 24 in the bottom, so whatever answer that gives me goes here. Now the subtraction one's a little different. You're going to put your bigger number up here, because whatever 68, or whatever you're subtracting from 73 goes here, and then whatever your answer is goes here. It's a little tricky, but because if you would take your answer and add it to 68, it's going to give you 73. So that's that paper. Next we have more addition and subtraction. This time we got some 3-digit numbers. Once again, my highest recommendation on this is to write the numbers, so they got them going across. What I always tell my kiddos, my students, not to confuse yourself, just rewrite the problem with one number on top of the other. Makes it a lot easier. So you go through, do those, and then you got 2 word problems. I'll go ahead and read those right now. 17. A newspaper sold 258 copies of the paper on Monday and 378 copies on Tuesday. How many copies of the newspaper were sold Monday and Tuesday? So you got to figure out, is it addition or subtraction? Number 18. Jessica scored 83 points on her test. Her teacher gave her some extra points for neatness. Her final score was 92. How many neatness points did the teacher give Jessica? So once again, we had to figure out, are we adding or are we subtracting? And then next, all you have is a vocab puzzle. Now, because it doesn't say on the paper which ones are across and which ones are down, this side is going to be across and this side is down. So all you gotta do is go through. They give you the words at the bottom here. So one across is join with others or take part in something. 4 is to pause when being unsure. 5 is the position of being a citizen of a country with all the rights that come with it. 6 across, state of being unfair or unjust. And 7 is courageous and bold. 1 down is suggested something to others for consideration. 2 down is goes on without stopping. And 3 down is filled with great fear, horror, and dislike. Now, if you go back to day 11's work, there's actually a vocabulary note sheet that is in day 11 that has the vocab words with their definitions. I would reference back to that to help you out with this. But like I said, day 14, pretty simple, pretty light work compared to the other days. So I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you guys have any questions for me, you can shoot me a text, shoot me an email, or just give me a phone call, and I'd be more than happy to help. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.